Okay, so finally got a bit of time. It's Christmas Eve. So have the master key. I am getting lights on. Expect these brake lights. So anyway, just going to check the tank, check the fuel in the tank and stuff, and have a look at the points. If the fuel's old, maybe we'll drain it out. Don't know. Anyway, we'll have a look. Right, just suck this bit up. Looks a bit brown. I'll put it in a jar. Alright, managed to get a bit of petrol out the bottom, and it's a bit pukey looking. So I think just to dilute it, I'm gonna put some fresh stuff in there. See if we can pump it out and bleed it through. Hopefully the fuel pump works. Yeah, we looked at this, the points are a bit furry. Right, undone that on the back of the one carb, so not sure if the fuel pump's going to come on with the ignition. We'll see if it will just pump out some of what we put in there. Right, better get that off while I'm under it. Well, I reckon its fuel pump is unresponsive, so I don't really want to crawl under it out here. So it's getting dark. Well, it's Christmas Eve now. For you, it will be about 10 seconds, but it might be a few days before I get it on the ramp and have a look. See you shortly. Right, I think I'll take the fuel pump off and have a look. These lines are rock hard, so I think it would be wise to change them anyhow. So it's not going to start for now. I will take this off, get some bits from Flying Spares, plugs and stuff, service kit, and I'll do another video soon. So we've undid it, got the pump out, and yeah, it's completely dead, unresponsive. So I'll get a kit and do that in the next video. It shouldn't be too long. I don't think they're open till the first week in Jan though, so we'll see.